Hi, I'm Charity from Shalom Childcare, and today we are going to master breastfeeding with practical tips rooted in both modern insight and cultural wisdom. Whether you're a new mom or a guiding one, these gentle steps will help you and your baby thrive. What is a good latch? It refers to the way a baby attaches to the mother's breast during breastfeeding. A proper latch is crucial for effective milk transfer and the mother's comfort. Also, it involves the baby taking a large portion of the areola, that is the darker area around the nipple, into their mouth, not just the nipple. Why is a good latch important? Number one, effective milk transfer. It ensures the baby receives enough breast milk to grow and thrive. Number two, mother's comfort. It prevents nipple pain, soreness, and damage. Number three, optimal breast drainage. This helps to prevent engorgement and maintain milk supply. Number four, baby satisfaction. It leads to a content and well-fed baby. Number five, supports long-term breastfeeding success. This makes breastfeeding a more sustainable and enjoyable experience for both mother and baby. Key techniques for achieving a good latch. Number one, positioning. Baby's body held close to the mother, tummy to tummy. The baby's head and body should be in a straight line, that is ear, shoulder, and hip. Mother's comfort. The mother should be in a comfortable position, either sitting, lying down, or using pillows for support. Number two, bringing baby to breast. Instead of leaning forwards to bring the breast to the baby, bring the baby to the breast. Support the baby's neck and shoulder, not just the back of their head. Number three, nipple alignment. The nipple should be aimed towards the baby's nose or upper lip. This encourages them to open their mouth wide. Number four, wide open mouth. Encourage the baby to open their mouth wide like they are taking a big yawn. You can gently stroke their lips with your nipple to stimulate this. Number five, chin first. Bring the baby to the breast chin first. This helps ensure a deep clutch. Number six, taking enough areola. Aim for the baby to take a large portion of the areola into their mouth, especially the underside. You should see more areola above the baby's top lip than below their bottom lip. Number seven, flanked lips. The baby's lips should be turned outward, not tucked in. Signs of a good latch. Number one, deep rhythmic sucking and pauses. Number two, the baby's cheeks are full and round, not drawn in. Number three, no clicking or smacking sounds, which can indicate air intake. Number four, the mother feels a gentle tugging sensation, not pain. Number five, the baby appears relaxed and content after breastfeeding. Common challenges and tips. Number one, shallow latch, that is the nipple only. This can cause pain and poor milk transfer. Gently break the suction by inserting a clean finger into the corner of the baby's mouth and relatch. Number two, lip tucked in. Gently use your finger to flank the baby's lip outward. Number 3, baby not opening wide enough. Be patient and continue to encourage a wide gap. Try bringing the baby to the breast when they are in the early stages of hunger. Number 5, seeking help. If latch difficulties persist, please seek guidance from a healthcare professional, midwife, or lactation counselor. Early intervention can be of much difference. Cultural consideration. In many African communities, experienced mothers, grandmothers play a vital role in supporting new mothers and with breastfeeding. They encourage wisdom and support alongside professional guidance. And also acknowledge and respect diverse cultural practice related to breastfeeding, while emphasizing the importance of effective latch for the well-being of both mother and baby. Every latch gets you closer to comfort, joy, and confidence. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe to Shalom Childcare, and let's keep building a space where parenting is powerful and joyful. I would like to hear your thoughts below. Thank you very much. Shalom.